Hello friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to you on eAcademy 123. Today we will discuss how to host on a Google Drive of a website and particular website web pages HTML. It does mean static web pages. How to upload on a Google Drive as a web hosting, and this video is totally concerned on web hosting on a Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, I want to thank to a special man, that is Pat Pierce from Canada. On his request, I am making this video. He is a IT graduates, and he was asking me about how to host on a Google Drive, and he is my also subscriber of that channel. So here he is studying from Canada, and you can ask easily. And you, here is the my folder Canada, and here is the four files, that is the, and one file is digital marketing, and here PDF I want to share among my friends, among my contacts, via on my website, and how to host that website, that web pages, and how to download and how to use that thing. All of this thing we will, but first of all, this PDF I want to make in a zip file. So add to archive, and it will make the zip. Select here zip, not rar file and rar. Okay, and if you make it, then it will go the digital marketing in a what, nothing but the zip format. Okay, just delete it. Okay, and this all folder I will upload my Gmail. So where you will go to my sites, and here you will find the Google Drive, and you will find the Google Drive. Okay, just go to the Google Drive, and here you will find the new. This one is new, and go here, new one, and go here, and go to the folder, and here the name web. I am giving this name. You can do anything, demo web, website, my first website. Okay, anyone you can take it. Yes, and it have made here what, where, yes, this is web. Just double click it, and drag and drop all files. So that file you want to park, or you want to host on that web space, that is Google Drive. Okay, you can simply take the right click and upload files also. You can take it and select it for all these thing. Okay, you can select it and open. Otherwise you can do also, just select and what, drag and drop also. But I am making this thing, just it is uploading here. I think it already uploaded. Okay, so in both way you can do, just cut it, and here go to the web folder in below, and just make it shareable. Where you will go to the share, and here you will find nothing but just copy the URL. Okay, just copy the URL. Here you want to change this URL, and if you do not want to change, just copy, just link, copy it, and done. Copy it, and here you will open the new tab, and here just drv, okay, and drive to, okay, web, and just click here host on a Google Drive, and it will ask the allow, and in my case it will ask here is the two account. Just I am selecting that one account because I have selected it is a Google Drive. It will ask the allow. In your case you are making in first time, it will ask 2 time, and in my case it will ask only one time allow. Then I am making to allow. Okay, and you have to allow it 2 times because it will ask to you, because you will make it first time. Okay, in a few seconds it will come here. It will come here. Okay, just I am logging here because session is fetching there from Google server. So it is nothing but in a few seconds it will log, and after that, after logging into, I will navigate to the control panel. What is my control panel? Okay, it is nothing but in a simple mode. It will simple mode. It is asking nothing. Just let's nothing waste time. But okay, my internet connection is slow, so I am taking this thing. But in a few seconds, and which folder I am showing that, nothing but that is folder. Okay, which folder? Web folder. Okay, and why it is taking too much time? Make it. Okay, I am cutting it, and again I am login. Okay, because why it is taking the too much time? Yes, but nothing but it is going in a login in this. Yes, I am again host to the Google Drive, and I will allow it in a single time, and I will select it this account. I am selecting that account. Yes, it will select it, and yes, it will select it, and it here it is asking so allow, and you have also allow with 2 times. Yes, and I am logging it. Yes, and here all files are parked here, and yes, my website is live completely. Okay, it's done, it's done. And this is the one more thing, and if you copy it, and if you copy it, and just a short link, okay, just go to the, this is the short link bitly, and get shorted. And if you control V, then shorten, then if you make it shorten, then if you make yes, my bitly https full colon, that is hypertext transfer protocol and security bitly.2 capital X E N. Yes, if I copy that link, and I will find everywhere my website over the, and it is the live website. Yes, it is the live website which I made here. Yes, if you go to the, then you will go my original website. Yes, it is my original website, and here it is the same website. If you go to click, yes, it is also same website, but I have make it shorten. And here you will find the home. It is the home. Download, just go to the here. And here friends, one more thing, if you go to the login after entering credential, and if you go to the go home, then here also the back go home, here is the square and this amazing CSS property. If I take the cursor on that into rounded shape, it is rounded shape, yes, yes, like that. So it is the amazing. And if you want to take this script, just it is the number given below, just respond me, I will send this script to you. Because in generally you will not found the sign in page, just like here I am entering, and one, because it is a static page, it is HTML page. And in HTML page, how to make this login page, how to make this login page, this is very special thing. And this is very special thing, okay. And you can take this script, just respond me in a link below, I will give this script easily, okay. And after entering username and password, and just login here. Yes, Sham login here, yes, go to here. Yes, you will find, and here you will download that website. You will download, what will you do? You will download that thing where you find, what you find, nothing but just go to the download, and you will download the PDF. Yes, it's working, and in a few seconds it will ask where I want to save that PDF. Yes, it is asking digital marketing. So digital marketing PDF, I can say digital PDF, I can say. And I will save it where I will save it my website, and here I am digital PDF. Yes, remember it this name, and just save it. Yes, digital PDF, and go to the here, and right click and show in folder. Go to the show in folder, and here you will find, yes, digital PDF, and here you will extract here, and your digital, yes, you got it, okay. And everything you have downloaded it from. So in this way friends, so in this way you can do easily anything what you want to do it is the shorten link for me, and just enter here, and you can, okay. And you can easily access, and this shorten link I will paste in the description box, so you can check easily this website and share. And if you want to this script, and you want to change, and you want to, then I will give you easily, okay. So this is the simple, if you like really, then please like, share, subscribe. Thank you, bye bye, we will meet soon again. And any doubt, then just ask.